Hello everyone, welcome to your computer class. So, for today we are going to start a new chapter and the name of this chapter is Robotics and Computer. Okay? So, do one thing, just open up your books. Okay? So, when I will explain you this chapter so that you could also have your book. Okay? So, you can look in your books and then maybe this page is not visible to you all, so open up your books. Okay? Now, so, robotics and computer. Okay, so when we hear the word robot, we tend to imagine a human like machine that can do automated tasks. So, whenever we imagine robot, we say robot, so we just say that a robot is a machine which can do a work like human being. Okay, however, any machine that can execute programmed instructions and thus reduce labor or manpower is called a robot. तो पर रोबोट की करेक्ट डेफिनेशन क्या है कि एनी मशीन दैट कैन एग्जीक्यूट प्रोग्राम्ड इंस्ट्रक्शन जो किसी पर्टिकुलर इंस्ट्रक्शन पर काम करती है एंड दस इट रिड्यूसेस द मैन पावर ओके सो मैन पावर को रिड्यूस भी करता है साथ साथ that is called a robot. So what is a robot? A robot is a machine that executes programmed instructions and thus reduce man labor. Okay, now a robot is a mechanical or virtual artificial agent, usually an mechanical machine. Okay, so it is a mechanical as well as a virtual artificial agent. Okay, why it is virtual? Because we can't see it always. Okay, and artificial agent, okay, usually an electromechanical machine that is guided by computer program or electronic circuitry. So it is guided by electronic circuitry. Okay, now the term robot was coined. What is coined? Coined means it was given. First time जब हम किसी word को use करते हैं then it is called coined. Okay, so it was coined in the year 1920 and it was done by Carl Capex. Okay, and his brother Joseph Capex. तो किसने किया था? Carl Capex and Joseph Capex ने. Carl was a novelist. He was a novelist, playwright, and a teacher. Okay, so he was a teacher in Czechoslovakia. Okay, so Czechoslovakia, he was a teacher in this. All right. As a product, robot includes various electronic components, sensors, servo motors, flexible access devices. तो ये सब चीज़ें उसमें होती है. Plus there is a microprocessor. Okay, so microprocessor is very much important for a robot. Okay, मतलब हमारे computers में भी यही होता है microprocessor. Robots are different from other machines since they can be programmed to have a certain degree of autonomy. Robots और machines के comparison, they are different. Why they are different? Because they work on a autonomy. What is autonomy? That is, it works on the basis, it works on a similar work. Okay, तो ये एक ही काम पर काम करेगा. Okay, you give it a task and it will perform that task for always, for just always. So it is autonomy. Okay, if a robot is designed to execute highly sophisticated instructions, it is referred to as एंड्रॉयड. सो एंड्रॉयड हम क्या कहते हैं? अगर ये हाईली सोफिस्टिकेटेड इंस्ट्रक्शन मतलब बिल्कुल पर्टिकुलर इंस्ट्रक्शंस पर ही काम करे अगर, तो उसे हम एंड्रॉयड बोलते हैं. ओके, एंड्रॉयड आपने देखा है, योर ऑल द मोबाइल फोन्स हैव एंड्रॉयड operating system in it. Okay, the branch of technology that deals with design, construction, operation and application of robot मतलब that is its design, its construction and its usage. Okay, so it is called robotics. Okay, next is these technologies deal with automated machines that can take the place of humans in dangerous environments or manufacturing process. So ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर human beings नहीं जा सकते, their machines can be used and those machines are robots. Okay, the concept of creating machines that can operate autonomously dates back to classical times. So, in this paragraph, rest of the paragraph, it is explained that कैसे ये 20th सेंचुरी से ग्रो करना स्टार्ट हुआ. ओके, थ्रू आउट हिस्ट्री इट हैज़ बीन अज्यूम दैट रोबोट्स विल वन डे बी एबल टू मिमिक ह्यूमन बिहेवियर. तो एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड रोबोट यू वोंट बी एबल टू डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन दैम. Okay, that is they both will do equal work. Many robots do jobs that are hazardous to people. Okay, so ऐसा नहीं है कि इसके सिर्फ advantages है, there are disadvantages also. Okay, diffusing bombs, mines and exploring shipwrecks. Okay, so like this. All right. So second one is, so in this I will explain you only this word. Okay, so this one, that is robots find an important place in various sectors. Okay, so they can be broadly classified into two types: industrial robots and service robots. So this is your second page number 49. Okay, so robots दो type के, इंडस्ट्रियल रोबोट एंड सर्विस रोबोट्स. ओके, सो आज की एक्सप्लेनेशन क्लास सिर्फ यहीं तक होगी. ओके, वी विल कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम हेयर. So I have taken this page because for today I am giving you homework, and in that homework this will be included. Okay, this line, so that's why I'm giving you, I have explained you. Okay, so industrial robots कैसे होते हैं, जो industries में use होते हैं, while service robots are those which provide service to human beings. Okay, let's move on to the slide which has your homework. So this is the slide that has your homework. What you have to do today, first of all, open page number 51. Okay, and question number E, answer the following questions. Okay, first question, what is a robot? Explain. Okay, so what is a robot, you have to explain that. So it was given in page number 1. Okay, so here you have already studied it, that that wait a second, from here. Okay, a machine that can execute programmed instructions and thus reduce labor or manpower is called a robot. So this is the answer. This is also given in your page number 50, points to remember. Okay, that is first point of points to remember: a machine that can execute programmed instruction and thus reduce labor or manpower is called a robot. Second question is, एक्सप्लेन द टू टाइप्स ऑफ रोबोट. सो इसी के लिए हमने ये किया था. सो द टू टाइप्स ऑफ रोबोट्स आर इंडस्ट्रियल रोबोट्स एंड सर्विस रोबोट्स. ओके, so you have to explain also, so you can write this explanation on your own language. Okay, so that is all for the class. Thank you, and this one you have to do in your fair notebook. Okay, so that's it. Thank you and have a nice day.